everything.
So, oh no, too late, sorry. And in this video, this is the second take, sorry. Oh no, I have messed it up. Yeah, so in this video, you might see the title is how to get your Snap code in the official Snapchat website. And you know, people like me, YouTubers, need the Snap code, and we need to do it the old-fashioned way. But this is a new. You can scan the Snap code at Snapchat.com. So you go to sorry for the noises. www.snapchat.com/ad/Oliver84 or your name. You know what? Your name. I can type really fast. Your name here, okay? Your name right here, okay? So yeah, short video because it is easy, boys. Okay, sorry, that's a little bit out. So bye, and you know what's time. And till then, see ya.